Well, the winds are blowing very hard. It's not quite a tornado or hurricane, but it can be close to that. There you go. Look, 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 look. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Look what it's doing to the trees. The wind. It's not raining right now, but the wind is super strong. Look how it's moving that tree, that whole entire tree up there. That's how powerful God's wind is, especially when he does the hurricanes and tornadoes, which we don't get out here in San Diego. But he can do that anywhere he wants. He's Almighty God. You see? Just to show you the power of God and all his power in heaven and earth and under the earth. God is powerful. He's powerful. Oh yeah. Look at that. He is super, super powerful. And yeah, we got the rain, but unfortunately it's not raining right now. It's just heavy winds. So if the rain do come back with the heavy winds, then I would definitely do another video for y'all. Alright, thanks for watching, and stay tuned, and God bless.